Okay, this is my week 10 update, race to 250K. The market looks like it's starting to slide down. Let's hope it continues to follow technology and goes down further. Remember, as investors, when the market's red, that's where we make the money, not when the market's green. Every single Monday, I invest $1,100. This week I had some extra, so my total investment was $2,100. In this video, I'm going to go over my complete portfolio, what I bought with that $2,100, my weekly performance, and of course my dividend income. Quick reminder on financial education. Education gives you control, control gives you options, and options gives you that freedom. Let's get into my portfolio and see where I'm at. Okay, now that we're in the portfolio, we could see the value is $140,677. It's Friday. The market looks like it's on its way to keep selling off for the day. It's currently almost down 1%. Let's go over each of my positions. First position is DGRO. I have 335 shares with a market value of $24,677. Next, we have my biggest position is SCHD. I have 1,786 shares with a market value of $56,463. Next, my smallest position is SCHG. I have 456 shares with a market value of just over $14,000. Next, we have SCHX. I have 788 shares with a market value of $21,261. My last position is VXUS, my international. I have 289 shares with a market value of $24,226. Now let's get into what I bought with that $2,100, my weekly buys. Okay, now that we're in the weekly investment, I bought 20 shares of SCHD. I bought 6 shares of DGRO, 6 shares of VXUS, 10 shares of SCHX, 5 shares of SCHG, and then the leftover money that I had, I bought 3 additional shares of SCHD. And I buy every week in all the positions. Now, let's get into my dividend income. Okay, now that we're in the dividend income section, you could see it's $3,401 or $283 per month. Let's get into each position and see what it's paying me. First, we have DGRO, $492. Next, we have SCHD, $1,941. Then we have SCHG, $51. Next, we have SCHX, which is $225. Last, we have VXUS, $689 to total $3,401. In 2026, by the end, I want to have that at least at $6,000. Let's get into the weekly performance. Okay, now that we're in the performance section, we could see from February 23rd to February 26th, excluding net contributions, my portfolio is down $3.43. With the market still being open and the sell-off happening, I would assume that's probably going to be in the $500 to $700 range by the end of today. All right, that's going to do it for my week 10 update. Stay tuned for my week 11. And remember, stay disciplined and consistent no matter what the market's doing.